In this video, I'll show you how to get mind-blowing gradients from these 4 websites. The first one I have on my list is Unsplash. Unsplash is not just a website for gradients. There are other things you can get from Unsplash, ranging from footage, videos, and backgrounds that are amazing. So now, if you look at this, we have a lot of gradients here. Let me click one of it, and this one is from iStock, but it is on Unsplash. I click this. So let me go back to the main page. These are gradient backgrounds from Unsplash. So the website is amazing. You can try it out to get amazing. Can you see? If you want to create a gradient on your Pixellab, you can't get this kind of result. So you need to download if you need a gradient for your design. So can you see? I'm on landscape mode, that's why it is appearing like this. So the second one on my list, let me go to the second one on my list, is cssgradient.io. These are examples of what you can do on this website. So now they give you opportunity to utilize their tool here that will enable you to set your own gradient like this. Okay, let me go here. So you see, if you want to adjust your gradient, you can pick any color you want and then make it into the design. Now after doing all of that, it will give you the X code that you can copy and paste on your design app such as Pixellab and any other design tool you are using. So this gradient site, there are some templates that you can use also. These are shades of blue. If you click on shades of blue, you have lots of gradients that are there already, Air Force Blue, Aero, and all of that. So let me go to the third one, which I'll be telling you or showing you, which is what? Pexels. Pexels also has lots of gradients that you can utilize. Can you see? So Pexels has lots of gradients, and that is what very good for your design. So this kind of gradients you can create it on apps like Pixellab, so you can download it and use it. For you to download, you just click on it and then you download. So you can download. If you look at this now, you can see download image after pressing it down for a while. So you can download your gradients from there. The other one you can use is also freepik. Freepik is a very common website. Apart from gradients, you can get amazing backgrounds from freepik. So these are examples or templates that you can pick from. This one, if you see a crown on any resources on this site, it means it is a premium version, so you can download it for free. But this one, if you click on it directly, you can download just like I did on the other website there. If you click on that, you can download directly. We have freepik, we have Pexels, we have Unsplash. We also have this website here, which is what? cssgradient.io.